the value of current I flowing in a given resistor for the corresponding value of potential difference V across the resistance are given below. So basically what they're telling is they had done a practical wherein they measured the current when they gave this set of values of for voltage. Okay, so these are different values, and this is your different current during that time. So they're asking us to plot a graph between V and I and calculate the resistance. So this is to do with Ohm's law practicals. So we have this to be your Y and this to be your X axis. X and Y. So this is your origin and this is your 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right? So this is your basically your graph scale. You guys can mention X axis 1 centimeter is 0.5 amp. Y axis 1 centimeter is 1 volt. Okay, now it's just a matter of plotting. So 0.5 is over here, 1.6 over there, a bit low actually. 1 is 3.4, so we have 3 and 3.4. 2 is 6.7. 3 is 10.2. 4 is 13.2. All we have to do is link it. And you can see this is not exactly right, but yeah. Not all the reading in your practicals will fall in place. That's okay. And that's what this they're trying to indicate. So we can do something wrong when we are doing an experiment. So to find the resistance in a VI graph, so this is your current and this is your voltage in volt. Okay, so to figure out the resistance, we need to find the slope of the graph. Slope of the graph is delta Y by delta X. So we need to pick two candidates which will help us calculate this. So clearly, if you take the convenience of either in a numerator, if not denominator, it's better to take the convenience of denominator, that is x-axis. That is what I'm trying to tell is we pick values of x-axis, which is easy to calculate, 1 and 2. So when it's 1, we have the points to be basically this particular point and this particular point. Okay, so these are the 2 points and their coordinates are 1, 3.4 and this is 2, 6.7. So we have this and this, right? So basically in this triangle, we have to find the rate at which this slope is moving. So basically this is your tan. Is it not? Opposite by adjacent. If I take this as your theta, tan theta is delta y by delta x. But anyways, if you are not clear with all of this, it's okay. So delta y means y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So what is x2 and x1 and y2 and y1? So this is x2, y2, x1, y1. So this will be equal to 6.7 minus 3.4 divided by 2 minus 1. So this is 3.3 by 1, so many ohms, right? So this is your resistance of the given wire. So basically, this is change in X divided by, change in voltage divided by change in current, right? So numerator is change in voltage, is it not? Because we're taking the change in y-axis divided by change in x-axis. So this is change in current. So delta V by delta I. And V by I is your resistance. That's all. So you can just write a statement that resistance of the wire or resistor is 3.3 ohm. And that's your answer. So pause and have a look at the answer.